Video we will talk about difference between count and len function in Django model or database query on queryset. A len function gives the number of objects present in some variable, whereas count function gives the number of objects that will come after execution of that query set. Let's understand with the help of example. As we are saying, this function gives the number of objects present in some variable. As you could see here, first of all, we have fetched all the objects present in this box model. All the object will come in this all object variable. Then we are counting this using the len function. But in count function, it gives the number of objects that will come after execution of that query set. As you could see here, we have this query on this model box. So after execution of this query set, whatever number of objects will come will be counted using this .count function. As you can see, this is the query, and after this we are just counting, and it will print whatever number of object will become after execution of this query, and that will present in this count. So it will prefer to use count when you don't have already number of object in some variable. Okay, once again let's understand the uses of len function. So len function prefer to use when data is in no need to fetch from database. It's already present in some variable out of database. As you could see here, we have data in this variable all object, means all the data is fetched in this variable all object. In this case we can use this len function. It will be much more faster. But in the second case, as you could see, there is not any a single data which is fetched in some variable. That's why we are using here .count function. Okay, this all object is some variable here. Okay, and count is also variable, which is in both case count is variable, in which we are just putting the number of object. Both functions are same, means both functions are same, but we can use it in a different scenario to avoid the time consumption, to avoid the complexity. That's the main reason. Second point is, that's why here using len will avoid hitting database, because every object from a database is present in this variable. So when we will use len function here, then it will not hit database again, but here it is hitting the database as not a single object is present in some variable. Hope so you're understanding. And that's why len will be faster in the case whenever the object is already present in some variable, but not in the case when you have to retrieve the object and count. Okay, if the object is already present in some variable, then you can use the len function here. But if the object is not present in some variable, if the object is not retrieved from database, then you have to use this count function, which is much more preferable. Hope so you understand this video, in which we have talked about count and len function in Django model database query, and when to use which function. Thank you for watching.